Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can finish restrictor plate car upgrade. So basically there is two cars, how you can do so. Of course there is more cars, but probably you will have these two cars. So first of all, on Treasure, Mazda 9085 RX-7 GSL SE, and then other car is on the bar find here, Honda 2005 NSR GT. So let's get in the car. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to your garage, then you need to go to cars, upgrades and tuning, custom upgrade, and then you will see engine. First, you need to change your engine. Sorry, not engine, but body kits and conversions, and then engine swap. And then you need to change your engine to 1.6 liters L4, right? Change it to this particular engine, like this, and then make sure to install parts. Make sure it's installed. After you install parts, go to custom upgrade, then engine again, and then as you can see, you can install restrictor plates, right? So let's do this here, and then the restrictor plate will be here. It will be installed. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.